request all of you to get ready for English prayer.
God, our Father, lives in heaven. He listens to what we pray. Good and great, holy and kind, He keeps us happy and gay. I am a true child of God. His orders must I obey. Whether at home or at school, I need to be good each day. Forgive us for the wrongs and help us never to offend thee in future. Thank you, dearest Father.
Touches us emotionally where words alone can. And our national song is the heart of every Indian. Now Miss Simarjeet is going to sing the national song Vande Mataram.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां शरस श्यामलां मातरम् वन्दे
Now our students are going to share their views with us. First, I would like to call Harman from 10th standard.
A very good morning to our honorable principal ma'am, worthy teachers and my dear students. As you all know, we have assembled here for the Republic Day celebration. Before moving forward, I'd like to wish you all a happy Republic Day. This auspicious day, praised each year on 26 January, has gained special significance throughout India's entire existence. We are all aware that India got its independence on August 15, 1947. Yet the country didn't have its very own constitution. It means India was represented under the laws executed by the British. India's citizens were denied the freedom of electing their own leaders. We got this freedom only when the constitution of our country came into effect on 26 January 1950. India became a republic country, and we, the citizens of India, hold the supreme power to elect our leader to lead the nation. Since then, we celebrate Republic Day every year with a great zeal, pomp and enthusiasm. Republic Day is a national holiday, a grand celebration taken place at Rajpath, New Delhi. The President of India hosts the national flag and parade is organized, which showcases India's defense capability and its cultural heritage. But we did not get this freedom easily. Today, if we are living in an independent nation and enjoying the fundamental rights, despite any discrimination, of the whole credit goes to our freedom fighters and their struggle to get this freedom for us. It was due to their sacrifices that we are living a happy life today. So, we should honor our constitution and also aware of all the responsibilities and duties mentioned in it. In the past 72 years, our country has gone through many changes, along with lots of development. There are some pitfalls that have also come in the way. Unemployment and corruption has grown up very fast. As a citizen of a country, we too are responsible for its development and prosperity. So, let's take a pledge to find solution of these problems so that our country becomes the best place to live on earth. Thanks. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Next, Vanshika of 8th standard will come and share her views.
आदरणीय डायरेक्टर महोदय प्रधानाचार्य जी, आदरणीय डायरेक्टर महोदय प्रधानाचार्य जी, अध्यापक गण तथा मेरे प्यारे साथियों, जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं कि आज हम गणतंत्र दिवस मनाने के लिए इकट्ठे हुए हैं। मैं उसी विषय पर आपके साथ अपने विचार साझे करूंगी। गणतंत्र दिवस प्रतिवर्ष 26 जनवरी को संपूर्ण भारत में अत्यंत धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है। इसी को मनाने के लिए सबको अपार उत्सव देखने को मिलते हैं। 26 जनवरी 1930 को रावी नदी के तट पर पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू की अध्यक्षता में यह संकल्प लिया गया था कि हम पूर्ण स्वराज लिए बिना चैन की सांस नहीं लेंगे। इसलिए 26 जनवरी के दिन भारत के इतिहास में बहुत महत्व है। जब 15 अगस्त 1947 को भारत में स्वतंत्रता का सूर्योदय हुआ था तो उस समय हमारे देश का कोई संविधान नहीं था। भारत का संविधान बनाया गया तथा इसे लागू करने के लिए 26 जनवरी 1950 का दिन चुना गया। इस दिन देश की राजधानी दिल्ली में विशेष परेड का आयोजन किया जाता है, जिसमें भारत की तीनों सेनाओं के सेनापति भारत के राष्ट्रपति को सलामी देते हैं। सेना, पुलिस तथा अन्य सैन्य बलों की परेड होती है और विभिन्न राज्यों की सांस्कृतिक झांकियां, लोक नृत्य तथा स्कूल बच्चों के अत्यंत आकर्षक कार्यक्रम होते हैं। हमें इस अवसर पर देश की तरक्की में योगदान देने के लिए वचनबद्ध होना चाहिए। आप सबको मेरी ओर से गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Now, Sahraj and Kamaldeep from 10th standard are going to present a beautiful song in front of you. I request to all teachers to clap in rhythm with Miss Simarjeet.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, बेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यार, इस देश का यारों क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का गहना। दिल भर के लिए दिलदार हैं हम, दुश्मन के लिए इकरार हैं हम, मैदान में अगर हम डट जाए, दुश्मन के पीछे हट जाए। या जोड़ी शांति वीरों की, या बोली शक्ल हीरों की, या गाते हैं रांझे मस्ती में, बस्ती भी झूमे मस्ती में।
Now I request our worthy principal ma'am to come and honor the sacrifices of the heroes who made this day a special for all Indians.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Ma'am said a very big thing right now. She said to honor the sacrifices of the freedom fighters. See who I am. I'm nobody in front of them. Those people, those men were of great courage, great bravery, and they were too persistent and too compassionate. They had a goal in their life and they sacrificed their lives for that. They won us freedom. Now, one other thing, one of your friends said right now that our country is in the clutches of, you can say, corruption and something like that, all such vicious things due to which we are still, after, you can say, 74 years of independence, we are still a nation which is developing. We are not yet attained that, you can say, status where the entire world could call us a developed nation. Now, why this is happening? Have you ever questioned this to yourself? That why is it that today we are standing here to celebrate 72nd Republic Day, that when our constitution got implemented, and after 72 years of that happening, why are we still under the category of developing nations? Do you ever think? I think we have taken this freedom as a toy in the hand of the little kid, जिसको उसकी value पता ही नहीं है. We are not able to actually understand the value of that freedom. That is why it is happening. हम कहते हैं corruption है. Is corruption is only taking a monetary bribe, or only this is called corruption? In your view, do you think only this is corruption, or there is some other kind of corruption also? क्या लगता है किसी को कि सिर्फ यही एक corruption होती है कि हमने किसी से monetary advantage ले लिया, it is corruption, or there is some other kind of corruption also, which we all are doing in one way or the other? That is why we are not yet developed. We are still developing. Can you think of anything? Anything, beta? No. I tell you, there is one basic reason behind that we only work when we have a policeman on our head. हम कोई भी रूल और रेगुलेशन जो हमने अपनी ही बेटरमेंट के लिए बनाया, वी ऑल अग्रीड, एक कमेटी बैठी इतनी देर, एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एस्टेब्लिश हुआ, उसके बाद टिल डेट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, we feel free and we feel happy that if we break a traffic light, just because a policeman is not standing there, we fail to understand that if we are to obey those rules, traffic rules, it is for our own benefit. It is to avoid an accident. Isn't it that? It happens every day. That if you don't find a policeman standing somewhere near a traffic light, you tend to break it. This is corruption. You are not taking any monetary benefit from anybody, but this is corruption. That is you are being corrupt to your own character, that you are not following a regulation which is meant for your own benefit. This is corruption. A person reaching late on duty, leaving early from duty, is corruption. A person sitting in an office but not exactly doing the office work, but chatting on mobile, all right, seeing the social sites, that is corruption. That is not realizing, not fulfilling the duty which we are assigned to or which we are paid for. And you know what is the basic reason that we are all so corrupt? The basic virtue जो हम सुनते आए हैं अपने बड़ों से, and एक English में आप पढ़ते आए हो, it is universal truth. That is honesty is the best policy. You have been hearing this? Hannah, your grammar teacher says that you cannot change its tense because it is universal truth. And we are forgetting that truth basically. We are not honest to our own selves in one way as a first step. Alright, हमें ये लगता है कि okay, I couldn't reach school in time because mama didn't make me wake up right on time. And we don't take the responsibility ourselves, that it was my responsibility to get up in the morning. when for the first time the alarm snoozed, isn't it? आप क्या कहते हो मॉम को? आपने लेट उठाया था. You don't take that responsibility. So that is being dishonest to your own self. Okay? So this is what, when we will stop being dishonest to your own self, that day all other corruptions will automatically eradicate. And once those corruptions at the lower level are eradicated, then at the higher level also, they will automatically get eradicated. And your nation will enter into the domain of all developed nations. This is what is going to. We cannot just blame on others and sit on a coffee table in the evening and say our government is not doing that, our like so and so person is not doing for that, as India ka kuch ho nahi sakta. You just cannot discuss all these things on a coffee table, on a cup of coffee. Because if you are to blame somebody, first of all, self-introspect yourself what you have done for your nation. At least one basic step. You can follow the traffic rules, one basic step. All right? Do not bribe a policeman to avoid a traffic ticket. Another very basic thing which you can do. So start from those basic steps and help build your nation. And that would be your tribute to all the freedom fighters who gave their lives for this so precious independence, freedom, sovereignty we are talking about today. Am I clear? So how many of you promise me this? Let's start from our school. Reach on time, wear proper uniform, be honest in your work, do not put blames on others. If you have done something wrong, take the responsibility of that wrong done by you. Accept it. Because when you will accept it, your next step will be that you will do something to remove that weakness of yours. So please do such basic things, and that is the only tribute today we can give to our freedom fighters, and we can actually by doing that make our nation actually a great nation. वो बात सिर्फ किताबों में नहीं रह जाएगी कि इंडिया could be विश्व गुरु जिसे आप हिंदी में कहते हो. Because we have given a lot to the entire world, and we still can, and we are giving. In the foreign countries also, maximum of doctors and engineers are from your nation, are Indians. So you are still giving to the world. Give it with pride. And just try to save your own independence. So this is my only message to you all. So please be honest to yourself and do favor to your nation by doing that. Thank you. Jai Hind.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे. गाहे तव जय गाथा. जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.